Are your software tools crashing due to the Anselsdk64.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Access the official Anselsdk64 diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This DLL file is the 64-bit NVIDIA Ansel SDK library. It enables gamers to capture high-quality, professional-grade in-game screenshots using 360-degree HDR and ultra-resolution technology on compatible NVIDIA hardware. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. It's important to note that the Anselsdk64.dll is installed as part of NVIDIA GeForce Experience and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of NVIDIA GeForce Experience from the official source will restore the correct version of the Anselsdk64 to your PC. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered the Anselsdk64 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Be aware that manual fixes for the Anselsdk64.dll often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining the Anselsdk64. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing the Anselsdk64 from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.